Hello. I had a question this week from somebody about how to make fractions look good in a Google document. So I'm going to show you how the equation editor works today. I found this to be particularly challenging teaching grade 7, being able to write fractions clearly and have students work on them. And so this is one of the ways I'm doing it. I'm making a document and I have some students who are printing it. I have some who are just putting their answers right in the document. And I actually have some students who are using the equation editor to put in their equations. So in the insert menu, there is an option, called equation. And that will open a blue box here and give you a new little toolbar up here. So what I use is in math operations, and it's just the fraction. So click in there, choose the fraction, and put in your numerator. And then you have to hit tab to get down to the bottom, and you can put in your denominator. And then you hit tab again, and your blinking cursor will disappear, but it's still there. And in here there are operation signs, like multiplication and division. You can just press the plus sign on your keyboard if you want. And then if you want another fraction, you go back up into math operations and click fraction again. Numerator, tab, denominator, tab, and then here I'm going to put the, equal sign. Then when you're done, you press enter, and you can continue typing in your doc. Oh my goodness, can't type this morning. There we go, typing your doc. So now this is its own little object. I can click back into it if I want to make any edits or changes. And I know I'm editing it when that blue box appears around the outside. So that's what I use when I'm putting in fractions into a document. You can just put in some that Google Docs will make look pretty for you automatically. Like if you put in a half and a space, it says, oh, it's a fraction, I'm going to put that in. But then when you get to weird fractions like 5/11ths, it doesn't do the same thing because it doesn't have a little icon for 5/11ths. Also, I apologize if you don't think 5/11ths is a weird fraction. At any rate, so that's the equation editor. For those of you teaching high school, there are all sorts of powerful options in here to help you write out notation so it can be clear. And I hope that's something you find useful. If you have any questions or if there's anything you can do to help, don't hesitate to reach out.